Salesforce is a pretty amazing ecosystem, powerful, flexible, and packed with features right out of the box. But let's be honest, sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's complicated, and sometimes updating one field feels like clicking through 12 setup pages, checking 4 profiles, refreshing a sandbox, and praying you didn't break a flow somewhere. Currently at TRG, the process looks something like this. A Jira story comes in. Someone reviews the requirements, makes the changes in a sandbox, retrieves metadata back into the repository using Salesforce CLI or an IDE, then creates a pull request, simple in theory, painful in reality. One misplaced file, one missed metadata change, one badly formatted deployment package held together by Hope and XML, and suddenly the CI pipeline becomes everyone's problem. Merge conflicts, broken deployments, unformatted changes slipping into production because, technically, there's no syntax error. And if an actual syntax issue gets missed during review, now you're fixing deployments, rerunning pipelines, refreshing sandboxes, and wondering how changing a picklist field became a team-wide incident. For repetitive configuration work, it really shouldn't be this hard, which is exactly why Mr. K decided there had to be a smarter way. And he found one, Salesforce AI Assistant, from Jira story to deployment in your sandbox, all in one flow. Simply connect your sandbox org, link your local Salesforce repository, and load the Jira stories for the sprint you're working on. Select a story, and the assistant explains exactly what the solution will cover and what it won't. It then asks for approval before making any changes. Once approved, the changes are automatically committed to your story branch and deployed directly into your Salesforce org for testing. In the ideal case, there's nothing left to retrieve manually because everything is already where it should be. Review the changes, create the pull request, and even that can be handled by the Salesforce AI Assistant. Less manual work, fewer conflicts, faster delivery, and far fewer "why did the pipeline fail" messages in Slack.